Good morning, students. Now we are going to start our practice book lessons of second term passive voice part 1. Before starting the passive voice, I should tell you the definition of a voice. A voice is the form of a verb which expresses its connection with the subject. It makes clear whether the subject is doing something or something is being done to it. There are two types of voices, active voice and passive voice. Active voice, the verb shows that the subject does something, and in passive voice, the passive voice shows that something is done to the subject. Here, some sentences are given. Identify the subject in each sentence and write the table below. In first sentence, subject is Nani Palkiwala. Second sentence, classmates. In third, extempore. In fourth, subject is nanny. And fifth, father. And in sixth is all difficulties. Now in worksheet 2, the statements above given in the worksheet 1, you have to write the numbers of the sentences in which the subject performs the action denoted by the verb are 1, 3 and 4. And in B, write the numbers of the sentences in which the subject receives the action denoted by the verb are 2, 5, 6. Now in group A, sentences are in active voice and in group B, they are in passive voice. Now worksheet 3. What is done and by whom? You have to write here who is going to do this work. That is given here in a hotel, a theater, a school, an airport, a sports center, a street. Here center of activity is given hotel, and what is being done there? Meals are served, food is taken, credit cards are accepted, guests are welcomed. Similarly, you have to take another activity like an airport. What is to be done there? You have to write and do whole of the exercise like this. Here are some general rules for changing active voice into passive voice. First is replace the subject by the object of the active voice. Second is use relevant helping verb plus third form of the verb after the object. Third, put by after the third form of the verb. And fourth is put the subject of the active voice after by. As you all know, a sentence contains subject, verb and object. Like in this sentence, Mohan writes a letter. Mohan is subject, writes is verb and a letter is object. While writing passive voice is of this active voice, we changed subject into object and object into subject. Like this, a letter is written by Mohan. We have changed object here into subject, a letter, and verb is written. We have used third form of verb with is, and object is changed by Mohan. Now, if the subject is a pronoun, change it as follows. I is changed into me while making passive voice. We is changed into us. You remains the same. He is changed into him. She into her. It remains the same. They into them. Who by whom. Worksheet 4. Generally, while writing newspaper headings, we use passive voice. While writing passive voice of these headlines, we generally remove a, the, has, is, some, etc. It's not necessary to say who did the action or by whom the action was done. Here, example is given to you. A man has has been struck by lightning in the woodland. Man struck by lightning in woodland. The police have busted a fake degree racket. Fake degree racket busted. Like this, you can do whole of the exercise. While writing notices also, we use passive voice. Like here, examples are given to you. We accept credit cards, and the passive voice is credit cards accepted here. We undertake automobile repair work. Automobile repair work undertaken. We require part-time teachers. Part-time teachers required. And fourth one is painting and cookery classes are available here. Painting and cookery classes held on Sundays. Homework is learn rules for transformation of voice. Do worksheet 3 and 4 of lesson passive voice. Thank you and have a sparkling day.